Okay, so I closed that port off. As you can see, I've sort of folded it back, and it's got about a 20mm or maybe an inch opening. Fold it down. I actually closed it a bit more than that, and then I've just reopened it a little bit. I think I've got it around about optimum. So as you can see, this bit of stick here, I could probably close it a little bit more, probably about 15mm to 20mm might be right, because the sticks are still catching on fire up here a bit further, and it actually happens to be right where that opening is. So if it's sort of vertical that way, the opening is there, and then boop, it comes up. So if we could get that opening a little bit closer to the bottom, which doesn't seem really possible, maybe if instead of folding it the way I've folded it there, I folded that down, maybe we could weld that back up and fold it down the other way, so then the entrance is closer. That would stop the sticks catching on fire here. It's not a real big issue, the heat still goes in, but you do get a little bit of smoke coming out here because the draw going in this way of air, the draw going that way, is not as great. So, but the temperature's off the chart, literally. This laser measurer will not, that's 137 degrees at the very edge of this plate. That radiant heat is burning my hands. The drum, the brake drum's over 250 degrees. So as soon as we hit that brake drum, which is about now, bang. Yeah, so that's an amazing little system I've got here going on. Massive amount of BDU, and the capture of the heat is substantial. So I'd say once I sort of cover this up with a bit of fiberglass insulation, I'm in business. I'm going to leave this one the way it is. I'll build a few different versions, and probably won't use the concrete in here. I'll just have the actual the steel going down and up, and then just cover it in insulation. Just going to give it a bit more thought on how I can sort of make it look a bit more appealing. But maybe the insulation with the silver liner on it might be the go, and then I can just sort of make the silver liner looks like one of those silver puffy jackets. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I think that's where it's at with this version. I reckon I've got it down pat. Just no smoke at all coming out. This here, the upright, the longer you can make that, the better they operate. I should make this one longer. I probably will. If I muck around with this one, I probably won't. I'll probably make another one. I'm standing. That's my finger height there. So instead of having it there, I'd probably have it about there, which is about waist height on me. I'm not sure if you can see my pocket. Let's not try and prove that. But anyway. As you can see with that handle on that door, if we could have it at about the same height as the handle on that door, it'd be better to actually cook on, because it's sort of waist height, and also the longer you have that flue, the more gas will burn, and once it sort of escapes, it's got no hope of actually burning. So it just makes it even more efficient again. So we'll make that about, I'd say about between 1 metre and 1.2 metres off the ground, depending on the cook's height. Let's say make it optimal for the cook. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the videos. Bye.